Big up PATBATAM Kitchen.
PATBATAM. Alrighty, boys and girls, here what happened now. Today, as we say, dance a yard before you dance abroad. And we're here. We are in Port Antonio. Yes, one of our little famous resort in Port Antonio here. Bed and breakfast, hotel arrangement, parties, you know, anniversaries, all of that, functions, all the functions what you normally have right here. We are at Black and White. And when we say black and white, you can see the building. Black and White, Port Antonio. Yes? And this is the place where all the honeymooners and all the crazy people come and have them fun. You come in Port Antonio, you got to visit this place. Yes? And this is the place we call the Black and White. Yes? So we're going to have a walk around, look around, see what it's like. Yeah, this is the entrance of the Black and White Resort. Yes, yes, and you know, we have all the amenities. Everything is going on. Yes, we have all the amenities for everybody, for the family and friends. You come right in this little area in Port Antonio. You have everything happening here, okay? So we're gonna have a walk around. Let's see what's happening at Black and White. Okay? As you see, everything is in black and white. And that's why you get the name. That's where, you know, the famous name come around. Alright. And here we go. We are at the ocean view. This is the ocean view at the Black and White Resort. Yes? We have everything going on here in this place. Your wedding, get together, after party, before party, everything happened right here. Okay, and it's so awesome to know that we have, look at that beautiful view there. Yes, and this is what we have here in Black and White. Yes. Beautiful. Yes. Resort area, guest accommodation, weekend for two, family weekends, everything in this one little spot right here. Yes. Black and White, Port Antonio. Yes. And this is where all the magic happened. Come down this side here. This is where you can't go wrong. This is a beautiful sight. The beautiful experience. This is the pool. Yes. And you notice they incorporate the pool, the ocean and the pool, everything almost in one. Yes, look at that. That's the ocean and the pool right there. Everything almost in one. Yes, you can see. The area you come and look out at night, kick back, relax. Everything happen here. And that's big man. How you doing? Yes, sir. Yeah, man. I'm Mr. Brooks. Taking it in. Yeah, man, that's where it's all happening here. And well, it's quarantine, it's time, well, it's COVID time. And as we said, you know, whenever you get out of this little mess here, and as soon as we get out of this mess, people, this is the place. This is the place to be. Can't get better than this. Okay? The pool is just incorporated with the ocean and is right on the rock side, and you can hear the ocean, you can see, oh man, it's amazing, I tell you. So we're gonna have a look, have a walk, have a look down by the honeymoon spot, they call it, the lover's spot. Yeah, man. Well, it's a Port Antonio, you know. Port Antonio is always here for the entire world to come and visit, you know. And yeah, the entire world can come and visit Port Antonio. Because we have everything. Yes. From a pin to an anchor. Well, we're at the lover's spot. And this is why we call the lover spot. Because you know, your glass of wine at night and you come and you kick back and relax. Honeymoon. Yeah man. Anniversary, honeymoon, birthdays. You know, weekend for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes man, we have accommodation for all of that. And this is where it all happened. Right on the edge. Yes. Overlooking the ocean. It's an awesome thing. Beautiful. Yes. This is where it all happened, man. Yeah. Yeah, man. Tell the people about black and white orange. Tell them what I want. It's the place to be. Cause come like you dress for the occasion too. In black and white too, you know. It's all happening, man. I tell you.
Well, I never planned for it, but
Yeah.
it's a place in Portland Jamaica where, well, I mean, tell you, a place with hang out,
Yes.
chill and have fun.
Yes.
Friends, all family, you know.
Yes, man.
It's a comfort zone, you know.
It's a comfort
It's like
zone.
a therapy.
Yeah.
Free your mind.
Take away from the hustle and bustle of the city, you know.
Like a lover,
Yeah.
just sit and hang out.
Have a glass of wine.
Yeah, very peace. It's peace, you know.
Yes, man. Well, they say this is peace in a hostile environment. You see the ocean?
Listen to the ocean and
Yes.
people
Look at it.
when I write them, you know.
Yeah, them say it's a therapy.
This is the best therapy. This is the therapy you need after work.
Yeah.
Right. Right on a weekend. Right a black and white.
Can't go wrong. Can't go wrong.
Yeah. Can't go wrong.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Never go wrong. Cool. Please. Right.
It's amazing. It's amazing. Whenever they get some come over, you know, the ocean gonna come up with a lot of debris. A lot of debris gonna be in the thing. So as soon as the ocean reside, you know, kind of cool on himself, get their pool skim and off and running again. That's how it is. But on this side of the bay in Point Antonio, I'm gonna tell you, it's always rough. This area is always rough. But all the way up to the Trident Hotel, this part of, oh look at that, you see that? Beautiful. It's always rough in a sense because this side is very windy, and they say this is a part of the trench. Look at that, amazing. The part of the trench, you know. Yeah man, it's a part of the Puerto Rican trench, and this is the deepest part of the Caribbean. So then say, yes. Yeah man, this is the deepest part of the Caribbean, and the trench, the Puerto Rican trench come run all the way back on this side. Yes, so the deepest part of the Caribbean Sea is in this area. Yes. So that's a little history that I know from back then.
Like dolphins.
Yeah, and a given day we see the dolphins pass through. Yeah. Yeah, and a given day the dolphins pass through, man. You see a lot of different types of things from the sea you see around here. Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful, man. It's amazing. Once in a lifetime, you gotta come and visit this place. Yeah, you gotta come and visit this place once and see what it's all about. Yes, you gotta come and visit this place and see what it's all about. As we say, we are at Black and White, Port Antonio, for all occasion, right here. Okay, you come and check it out. And we have the manager here. She's overlooking everything. You're well kept when you come to this place, yeah? So she's gonna make us have a look. Oh, it's a beautiful place, I tell you. She's gonna let us have a look. This is the kids area. As we said, this is the place that you come and let your kids wild, this area. Yes. As we say, this is the kids area. All this area here is gonna be they do the kids thing right in this spot here. We say we cater for the entire family. And I think she's going to take us like we have a look inside one of the room. So manager, you have anything to tell us? Here's the manager here. What's your name, beautiful?
Nicola.
And that's Nicola. And Nicola is going to take us around and one of the rooms to see what's happening. Okay, she's the resident manager here at Black and White. So whenever you come to Black and White, you're going to see this beautiful lady.
Sure.
Yes. And voila! Here we go. And this is we are in Seaview Villa. Look at this beautiful place, I tell you. Yes, as we said, it's black and white. Everything is black and white, from a pin to an anchor. There's nothing different. Everything is black and white. And you're in the main, here's the main entrance, where you have a sitting room and you have every little thing going on here. Okay? And from this area, yeah, can't go wrong, people. Right here is the place. Right here is the place. Black and white. Okay? And this is, she's going to show us one room. This is a bedroom right here.
Your master bedroom is right here.
There's a master bedroom right here. Yeah, and amazing. Look at that. This is your master bed right here. What's the name of this villa right here?
This villa is Seaview.
This is Seaview Villa. It's right on the front, right in front of the ocean, right on the ocean front. This is your master bedroom. Okay. And you don't worry about the master bedroom. So it's a double occupancy, right? Because you have a door right there, you can go in the other one over there. But you know what? We have all of that. That's your jacuzzi or your jacuzzi. Yeah. And over here, if you have kids, if you come on a weekend and you have kids, join the two rooms together. That's for your kids, and over here is your master. Am I right? Beautiful. You can go right through. Yes? Okay. Look at that. This is it's a 3-bedroom villa. All right. So I'm not done yet. So here we go. So the entire family can come. The entire family can come in this side here. You come over here. You have another bedroom. Okay, as we said, black and white is the place to be whenever you have anything pretty to take care of in your life. This is the place. Okay? This is the place. You can't go wrong. Everything in this place is black and white. Everything. Even the worker is black and white. Yes. Yes, that's what thing said. Everything. Okay, and this is the main entrance. This is the main place at Seaview. This is the main place. Kitchen and everything. Everything. Living area, kick back, relax. Your Wi-Fi up, everything fine and good whenever you come to this place. Huh? Yes, man. And that's what we do. And as we say, Seaview, all these areas, we open these places. Whenever the guest is here, we open all these places. Beautiful, beautiful sea breeze come inside. And up top you have, that's a loft upstairs right there. Okay. Right, so you know what happened as we said? This is the place. Yes? As them say, Wi-Fi, no problem. That's what them say. Yes, man. So as we say, we're here inside the Seaview Villa. All right. As we say, we have everything for you when you come. Come and check us out right here at the Seaview Villa at Black and White. Yes. Beautiful place, I can tell you. Yeah, I spent a couple of nights here at the first time when they built this place, and it is awesome. And I tell you, and it's still awesome. Nothing changed. It's amazing. Yeah. The service and hospitality you get from this beautiful lady here with her team is second to none. Okay, I can tell you. I guarantee you. As we say, we're at Seaview Villa, and that's the ocean right there. All right, so here we go. Come and see us at Black and White. And you know, we'll have some fun and we'll party. We're in Portland. We come over, man. Let's see let's tell you what's going on in Portland if you never know. All right, so here we go. You see it live and in living colors. Okay, this is what we all want to see over the couple of years, and here you have it, live and in living colors, black and white. The place to be, without a doubt. Okay, Mr. Brooks. We're gonna charge you some money for where you're going. Come like you get day pass. All right, boss. Do your thing. You get your day pass. Yeah, man, Mr. Brooks up on a day pass, so I'm good. Yeah, that's what happened in black and white, all right? So, Miss Manager, you're going to tell us what the people are need to know before they come to black and white. Come on, you gotta say something.
You need to know.
Okay, Nikki gonna tell us what's going on, and Nicole gonna tell us what's going on. Okay.
They need to just come to black and white.
All right. So
That's the place to be.
she gonna tell you in Cameron. Yes, Nicole. Tell me. What's your guess? What's all your what all your place entails whenever the people come to black and white? What is the
You have
main
your own
attractive?
personal chef. You also have
Yes.
your meal and chef cooking.
Right.
And also you do have your personal housekeepers.
Wow, that's all personal.
Yes.
That one assigned to you every time.
Right.
Wow. Okay. So, you can contact the people. How people can get you
You can go on
online?
our website, cviewvilla@cviewvilla.be, or you can call us as 418-2221.
Beautiful. Or you can contact us, PATBATAM Kitchen. Go on the website, PATBATAM Kitchen. Tell us, let them your comment, and I will let all the information on these people if you can find them. Okay. Port Antonio to the world. All right. Black and white again. So, bye, Nicole.
Bye bye. I'm out of here.
Okay. Thank you.
What's the rate now?
Big up Pat Batam Kitchen.